To change DPI on Redmi Note 15, first of all you have to open the settings, now open About Phone, and right now you will have to keep tapping on the OS version until you enable the developer options. If you have a screen lock, you will have to input this right now. Then you will have to go back and scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Now you will have to open this developer options, and here we are looking for the DPI settings. So just be patient and wait for this, just few swipes, and we will be able to adjust this up to our preferences. I just turn on the refresh rate. It's not for this video for sure. I just want to show this in the next video, so don't mind about this one. But it should be available somewhere at the bottom. And here, as you can see, we can find the smallest DPI. So now if I'm gonna go for 400, for example, and click OK, as you can see, that's how it actually looks. So I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching this video.